Hey, car lovers! Welcome back to Weekly Tools, your weekly fix for the best automotive gear. Today, we're diving into something every BMW owner needs, the best OBD2 scanner for your car. Whether you're a DIY wizard or just trying to save some cash on those dealership visits, this video's for you. Let's get into it. Section 1. Why you need an OBD2 scanner. Owning a BMW is amazing, but those check engine lights? Not so much. Instead of running to the shop every time, why not have a tool that gives you the power to diagnose the issue yourself? With a good OBD2 scanner, you can check engine codes, monitor live data, and reset service lights, all from the comfort of your garage. Section 2. Top 3 OBD2 scanners for BMW. Okay, let's get to the good stuff. Here are the top 3 OBD2 scanners that'll make your BMW life easier. First up, the AutoMaxicom 808 Malawian Kwaches. Full system diagnostics, live data, and even component testing. Plus, it's super user-friendly. At around $400, it's perfect for DIYers who want pro-level features. Next, the Foxwell NT530. Designed for European cars like BMW. This one's packed with all the essentials, live data, service resets, and it's easy to use. It's a steal at around $250. And lastly, the Bavarian Technic BMW Diagnostic Tool. If you want BMW-specific diagnostics and coding, this is it. It's a bit pricier at $300, but it's perfect for anyone who loves deep diving into their BMW systems. So, there you have it. Whether you're a casual DIYer or a full-on BMW expert, these scanners will help you take control of your car's health. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, drop a comment with your favorite scanner, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Catch you next time on Weekly Tools. So there you have it, the best OBD2 scanners for your BMW, whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned DIY pro. These tools will save you time, money, and the stress of those mystery engine lights. Remember, knowledge is power, and with the right scanner, you've got the tools to keep your BMW in top shape. Drop a comment below if you've got a favorite OBD2 scanner, or if you've used one of these. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a tool review. Catch you next time on Weekly Tools, where we bring you the best gear every week.